Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we are taking a look at Polygon. Now, once again, just taking a look on the daily time frame, on the bigger scale, we can see that there is a huge potential for the price still to go for at least 2x, or I would even go for this area here more, so 2x, then a potential to go basically 3x and almost 4x if we see the price near the all-time highs. Now the first target would be of course this area, and risking 40% of portfolio, not the portfolio but the trading capital, in potential to make 2x, 2.2, basically 2.2 and a half, it's more than good. So for the spot holding, this coin is in a pretty good momentum right now. So going to keep it here as the initial target area we had somewhere in this region. And now going to go on the smaller time frames. And before we go, just a quick observation as well. Going to point out these areas here. So the first touch, the second touch, and currently undergoing the third touch. So right now, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Don't want to add anything. So what did we have had so far? Basically, after this dip, we had a recovery, then yet another movement to the lower zones, basically taking all the liquidity out from this area. And since then, price has been showing some kind of decent recovery during the weekends. And right now, at the start of the week, also we are seeing the price is going for a pretty decent move to the upper zones. Now, for the game plan on the smaller time frames, would look for some kind of breakout to form in this region. And as soon as we see the breakout from the 21 cent, basically 0.211, then would go for a long position from here, with target being here and stop loss being pretty tight. Going to zoom out quickly, going to let it aside here, and potentially, yeah, basically that's it. And this would be the first target area as well. So for the smaller time frames, we would be looking for some kind of movement like this. Basically, as soon as we see the break of structure forming here, meaning let's demonstrate it with this one here. So we had some kind of recovery, then a breakout, retest, and a movement to the upper zones. So, and let's move that one away right now as well. So that's the game plan that we are looking for right now. This is the breakout structure area. This would be the breaking point. So POS, going to let it like this. Now this would be the ideal 1% entry. Then second entry would be here, so a retest. And then a third entry can be in this region once we form another break construction, the second break construction, meaning this point here. This would be the most ideal entry, and there is two ways to take up the position in current state basically. First thing is 1% here, 1% here, and 1% here, or just wait for a breakout, retest, and once price forms that second breakout structure, then this would be an ideal point of entry for us. And if we go by this rule, so we had the first breakout, we had the retest, as soon as we have the second second breakout structure, would drag down the stop loss even closer to the entry because we would be already in this region. So in that case, the 1 to 4 risk and reward ratio, and with the other one is like 1 to somewhere in this region, 1 to 2 risk and reward ratio trade. So either way, we are expecting to see some kind of recovery, and first target would be, as already mentioned, the EMAs of the daily time frame, or the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. Didn't actually look right now at the zones, just a coincidence, let's call it. But anyways, those two zones are the major targets for us as of now, and all we have to do is wait for a proper break to happen. Now there is also a chance to get like, I can't really say, but we had pretty decent breakout structure already in this region. So here we had decent breakout, we had retest, another breakout structure, and now price is basically pushing up. So I would even go like with this kind of strategy actually. And in this case, the risk reward ratio is basically 1 to 3. So anyways, multiple opportunities to take trades on the POL coin. All of them are bullish setups. And as long as price remains above this area, we would be looking for some sort of bullish movement in the upcoming weeks or even months. So anyways, pretty long video, but that's it for today. As always, if you like this video, feel free to leave a like and comment, and I will catch you on the next video.